Are you the go-to techie that friends always call for PC help? Well, this hidden Windows feature will make helping them way easier. Now it is called Step Recorder. This is an app that automatically captures your actions with text and screenshots. So if you want to know more about this, keep watching on this video. Now for Windows 11, you have to open Run, type in PSR to open Screen Recorder, then press OK or Enter. Now a small window will appear and you can now select Start Record. Every click or keystroke you make will be recorded. Once finished, you can now click Stop and Review. Now you can also click Add Comment on a step if you want to add any additional info. Then once done, click Save to save the recorded steps. But if you're using Windows 10 and older, you can still use the recorder by searching for Steps Recorder in the taskbar search bar. Then, select Start Record to start recording, and then make sure that you perform all the steps you want to demonstrate as precisely as possible. Now, while recording your steps, if you want others to know more about something, you can use the comments feature of the app. And once you're done with recording, select Stop Record so that it can generate a preview for you. While Microsoft has not said when Stop's Recorder will be fully depreciated, you may notice that the program does not always work as intended. So, Microsoft suggests some built-in Windows programs like Snipping Tool, Xbox Game Bar, and the Clip Champ. So that's how to use the Steps Recorder in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.